Happy New Year everybody! Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, and I'm going to show you our beautiful January kit. It is a perfect kit for this time of year, full of amazing travel goodies or for a masculine kit, either or. And let's start looking at what's included in here. So there's these really adorable little travel themed enamel stickers, I guess you call them. Then there is a packet of Let's Go collectibles by Kaisercraft. There is a packet of flyaway wooden flourishes, very cute. This is the laser cut for this month, it's a little geotag. We have got some paints, so we are going to be getting more paints in every kit for January, February and March, and one of those kits will have the little tin to put these little paints in as well. So they're your first little colours, new paints. We have got some Uniquely Creative enamel dots in our monochrome tones. We have got half a sheet of corrugated card, some cuties in here, just some cute little tags and string. These are little geotag paper clips. It's really hard to tell in the packet, but that's what they are. There is a couple of sweet little international mini envelopes, like they're really cute, and a little paint palette for when you're mixing your colours. Okay, so this is the January magazine. As usual, we have got all of our step-by-step photos in here all the way through for both our card making and our scrapbooking. And if I can find one, don't forget to look on our YouTube page, because we have a minimum of 3 normally layouts that we have actually filmed and popped on YouTube, so you can see the creative process. It is such a handy tool to have. Next, we have got some gorgeous little Kaisercraft Black Alpha stickers. We have got a cut apart sheet to add to all your projects. We have got a sheet of this beautiful background paper. It's called Roadmap, very cute. We have got a sheet of flyaway paper. That's the other side of that one, which is sweet. And we have got a couple of sheets of white, I think 2 sheets of white and 1 sheet of craft cardstock. And of course, we have got the Let's Go paper pack with a sticker sheet. So lots included in this kit as usual, and the start of your new paint collection. Now let's take a look at the layout. So as I said, this is quite a fun masculine layout as well. You do not need to use this kit for travel. So a fun little masculine layout there by Kasha. This is another one of Kasha's, and that is just her kid's school photo. So again, nothing to say this has to be a travel kit. We have used 2 dies this month. One is this one here by us, which is our boot prints. We did do that as a laser cut a few months back, and now it is a die because you all asked us to make it a die, so we have. And the other one is this little one here, Subway Texture by Kaisercraft, which we just loved. Okay, so more really cute layouts. Again, doesn't need to be travel. These guys are just down their local park. Just fun ways to scrap all of your memories. So another just sweet little male one here. DT this month were Rachel, there she is hiding. Rachel, Maria, this is one by Maria, and myself and Kasha. And on the cards, which we're about to go to, we had Shana and Maria and Rachel and Kasha as well. So this is just a cute little card. I think these make great little masculine cards. I don't have Shana's original yet because it is Christmas time, but I'm going to show you how sweet they are anyway. I've printed them so you can see. Super cute. I know that my hubby would love to receive that card. It's gorgeous. So lots of cute cards. Now I just want to quickly show you, I did one extra bonus layout this month because you're always asking for layouts with lots of photos. So I have popped 4 photos on that for when we visited Movie World. So a bonus layout, it is in the magazine with instructions. So the add-on dies, guys. This one here, it's called Hiking Boots, it's $15.80. And this one here from Kaisercraft, which is called Subway Texture, is also $15.80. You can jump on our website and order your kit now, pre-ordering from the 1st of January, and we're going to be shipping this one on the 7th because the 5th is a weekend. So www.uniquelycreative.com.au. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year. 2019 is going to be amazing. We will talk to you soon.